Good afternoon, or rather good morning. Today we're going to have a look inside this little black box on the Jumpstarter clamps for one of those portable lithium Jumpstarter packs. Something like this always makes me curious because I can tell there's electronics inside it, I just have no clue what. So I've taken the liberty of removing the two screws, mostly, okay, not fully, so I'll just do that. There we go. Okay, got one. Got the other, because I really want to see what's inside this. Okay, let's do it. Hold on. Let me do that off camera and it will come back. Okay, all done. I've got it open, just the two clamshell halves. And have a look at this. So it's not a MOSFET or anything, it's actually just a relay. So a 12 volt ka-chunk relay, a little alarm, and a microcontroller of some type down in there. Very simple design. I was expecting diodes and MOSFETs and everything. They have literally done the cheapest thing possible. And I'm looking at this, they've beefed up the circuit board using some wire just to make it more reliable. Very easy. Have a great one.